Welcome to a fresh new episode of Knowing Your Instagram Stalkers. In today's video, we are going to talk about the possible methods to know all of your profile visitors for free. And it's important for us to create new tutorials periodically to keep you updated on methods for identifying your Instagram stalkers, as the old methods become ineffective over time. So now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. If you will search for Instagram stalkers on the Play Store and App Store, you will see a lot of applications over there claiming to show you your profile visitors. But the sad reality is none of them actually works. But among those applications, there's one hidden app which actually works and delivers what it claims. I have provided the free version link of the application in the description of the video as well as in the pinned comment. From there, you can download the Android or iOS application. It works absolutely fine on Android, but on iOS it depends on the server load. Now moving to the application, once you will download and install the application on your phone, you will need to log in with your Instagram credentials and authenticate the login. You don't need to worry because logging in here is safe enough and it's cross-checked by the developers and the testing team already. Still, if you're unsure about logging in any third-party application, then you can change your password just after the operation. After logging in, the application takes a bit of time for loading all the parameters and analyzing your account. Within few minutes, you will see that the application loads all the metrics and data of your account. Also, the application link I provided allows you to see your stalkers free for the first 3 times. Post that, you will need to pay the subscription fee. So you can see a list of all of your secret admirers and profile visitors here in this application. The result is pretty accurate. Also, I cross-checked the application result by manually visiting profiles several times from different accounts. Also, this application allows you to see someone's Instagram story anonymously, which means your name won't be shown in the story viewers list. Another way to know your Instagram stalkers is to upload a story, and in its 24th hour, the top 3 names you see are the ones who visits your profile to the most. Initially, when your story has 50 to 100 views, it is sorted in chronological order, but in its 24th hour, when almost everyone has seen your story, the top profile names are sorted on the basis of engagement with your profile, which simply indicates your profile visitors. So this is how you can know your profile visitors in 2024. I hope you all have enjoyed this video a lot, and if you guys are having any question in your mind regarding this video, then please make sure to drop a comment in the comment section. And if you guys like the video, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'm Divyan Sharan, and I will catch you in the next one.